In this video, we'll show you how to export any email designed in Beefree to Klaviyo with a single click, and we'll do so in 3 steps. First, we'll walk through how to connect your Klaviyo account to Beefree. Then we'll export a finished email and show you where it lands inside Klaviyo. And finally, we'll show you how to add the required Klaviyo unsubscribe tag to ensure your emails are compliant before sending. There are 2 ways you can connect to your Klaviyo account in Beefree. You can do so from the Workspace Settings tab by clicking Connectors and then finding Klaviyo. The second way, which is the example we'll use in this video, is through the export options of your email. So when you're ready to export your email design, simply head to the Export button in the top right corner of the builder. Under the Integration section, click More, and then scroll down and select the Klaviyo connector. Next, we'll need to insert our Klaviyo API key and account name in the fields below. To find our API key from Klaviyo's dashboard, click on your account. Then Settings. Under the Account tab, click API Keys. It's here that you can create a new private API key or use an existing one you previously generated. Now let's give our API key a name. We can call this Klaviyo API key. And then head to the top right corner and click Create. Now that we've created our new API key, we can copy it and paste it back into Beefree. We'll need to ensure our account name is in there as well, and this helps Beefree identify your email and lets you overwrite it later if you need to re-export your design. Now once that's done, click Connect, and on the next screen, you'll be prompted to create a campaign in Klaviyo using your email design. Just hit Create, and you're good to go. Your email has now been successfully exported to Klaviyo. To find your email in Klaviyo, simply head to Content, Templates, Email Saved. From here, you can preview it on desktop or mobile, or even edit the code if you so choose. If you need to make any changes to your design after exporting to Klaviyo, we highly recommend editing your email in Beefree to ensure it renders correctly and re-exporting. When you're ready to export your new changes, Beefree will recognize an existing email was sent and prompt you to either overwrite it or export a new version. Now, there's one important thing to remember when using the Klaviyo connector. Your email must include an unsubscribe link that follows Klaviyo's syntax. Now, Klaviyo supports 2 types. We recommend using the second one as a special link in Beefree. Now, to do this in Beefree, simply head to Settings, General Settings, then scroll down to where it says Special Links. Select Add New Special Links, and once you fill in the fields, hit Add Special Link. Now you can access this unsubscribe button at any time in the builder when bringing up the text toolbar. For more on using merge tags and special links in Beefree, check out the video tutorial linked in the description. You'll find Klaviyo's official documentation linked there as well. That's it for this video. This integration successfully connects your Beefree and Klaviyo accounts, allowing you to instantly move designs from one platform to the other in one seamless step. Thanks for watching.